Hello and welcome to day 18. Today we are cleaning the fridge. Not the freezer, the fridge. Just fridge. And thankfully our fridge isn't too chilly bad. All I need to do is just go through it and throw out all the food that's no good now, which is mostly leftovers. I'm gonna be honest, because we just did a really big deep clean of our fridge probably 3 weeks ago, I think. Okay? All right, let's get this done, because this will be like the quickest and easiest one out of them all. Okay, and like that, the fridge is clean. Because, give me a second. Let me turn you kind of here a little. There's our fridge door, and like I said, our fridge, we went through everything there not that long ago, so I'm not going to worry about that. Okay, now it's going to fill my water and be done. So hope everybody enjoyed the video, and we'll be back again very soon for day 19. Bye.